So assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you? Hope you are fine. So first of all, subscribe to my channel and like my channel and like my all videos. It's my Canva tutorial number 8. Okay, so I'm making this video too late because some reasons occurred. Okay, substitutions. Okay, so open Canva, and then in this video I'm going to tell you that how to make a photo collage. Attach 3 to 10 to 15 to 20 photos together in one picture. Okay, it's very simple. Scroll it to right side and here photo collage, click on it or wait for a while. Or here as usual, one is free, one is paid. So here 20 above video pictures, so click on it. Nine types of templates which you want. Okay, so wait for a while. Okay, it's opening. So here for this template you have minimum 20 to 50, 20 to 25 pics to attach here. So I don't have. Okay, so I back it, and here for example I am telling about my brand on Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp or anywhere else. Okay, so open it, wait for a while. Here it's telling I'm telling for example this, and here I'm attaching pics. So if you want to remove this pic or rechange this pic, so click on it and here replace on it. Okay, or select the pic which you want. Okay, so or if you want to change background color, click on background or click color, select the background which you want. Okay, so I think brown is best, no needed. Okay, so here you can also change your brand name. Okay, for example it's here minimalist. Okay, so tap here your brand, click on here and click edit. So here you can edit blah blah. Okay, so here you can add your bio type. Okay, so you can add a bio or add the ad agency about it. So okay, for example he is telling a person who advocates or practices minimalist in art. Okay, so type here which you want or leave it. Or here you can also change this color. Okay, here color you can also change. Okay, you can remove it. Okay, here, or if you want to here click on it or shape. Or here you can change man types of shapes, for example pentagon, triangle, circle, square, okay, star, for example, etc. Okay, so here you can also edit this or type which you want. For example, which is he's adding he add his pictures, or he also add the name of this. Okay, so it's not difficult. Okay, so here from here you can also scroll it or as well as you can. Here it can resize, you can also resize it. Okay, so if you want not it, you can adjust here or not more enough. So there are many types of templates, but I'm just telling you this template. This for example I'm just telling example to you. So there are many types of templates, so don't forget to like my all videos or subscribe my channel. Okay, or our like aim is only 10 likes. Okay, so thanks for watching.